Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you guys how you can remove studs from your vehicle. What I have in front of me is a old catalytic converter. Now you guys might know that for exhaust or any exhaust component, the studs or fasteners always get really rusted on there. So I would suggest for you guys to soak the fastener or stud in penetrating fluid. And you should do that at least the night before you try to remove the fastener or the stud, because it can potentially break. What I like to use for penetrating fluid is automatic transmission fluid and acetone. This actually works pretty great. So we're just going to spray this a little bit. We're going to let it soak for about 5 minutes and we're going to come back. Now that it's been about 5 minutes, go ahead and get 2 nuts like this and you're going to thread them onto the stud. Now that you have one nut screwed in, go ahead and get the other one and screw it on as well. Now that you have tightened down the 2 nuts, go ahead and remove the bottom nut. And then as soon as you start removing the bottom nut, the stud should unscrew itself from the catalytic converter. To remove the 2 nuts, what you need to do is get your wrench and put it on one of the nuts, and then get your impact and put it on the other side, and then just remove it. And that's how you remove studs out of your vehicle. If you guys did like what you guys saw in this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.